I was super trying to procrastinate today. It's later than I usually do this because I'm just tired. But here we are. I need to. Still didn't get a bookmark. I know what page we're on, but, remembering where we are is a lot harder when you can't skim as fast as you do in your native language. Shock of shocks. Okay. I definitely didn't get to this bracketed section. I think I might have read this part, but I'm going to read it anyway because I don't remember and we're practicing sight reading. So, rereading is going to happen a lot. So here we go. All right. Oh yeah, I definitely read this because this was a really long, confusing word. Ayako wa Itshoken Meikan ga emasu. 1分3分そして10分I read that part in kanji. Cool. そして10分が経ちました。次の駅で綾子は降りなけれがいけません。なけれがいけません。いけません。どうして何を言おう時間がない。時間 I feel like I should know that. 電車は次の駅に到着します。その女の人も同じ駅で降りました。綾子は急いで電車を降りて大きな声でその人に話しかけました。こんにちは。その人は返事をしませんでした。そして歩いていきました。歩いていきます。歩いていきました。綾子はがっかりしました。綾子はがっかりしました。Ugh, that's a mouthful. Page 3. そして綾子は映画館 We've seen that word before. 映画館に行きました。綾子が映画館に着いた時 その女の人も映画館にいました. Okay, we've got like tomorrow, and then we finish the story for the first time, and then we can read what the heck it is that I read in English, and then we'll probably read this like 12 more times. Okay, sweet. Ja!